If you're still making your man, boyfriend, brothers, friends, siblings crochet hats, beanies, scarves, socks in 2025, then sit down. I don't even know what to say to you. Honestly, it's boring. Okay, I don't care if you're a beginner. If you're able to make a beanie or socks as a beginner, then you can make everything I'm going to be sharing in this list today. So the list is going to be found, the links to all the patterns I'm going to be talking about are going to be found down the link below. I've comprised a whole article on my website and you can check it out there. Before we go any further, I am almost at 10,000. Please subscribe. Stop watching my videos without subscribing. Subscribe, please. And make sure you like that button. And obviously this is part 2 of my series on how to crochet gifts for men. So for the first one, find it somewhere up there, and I promise you there's no boring stuff there. There's no hats, there's no scarves, none of that boring stuff up there. So let's get started. So before I go any further, let me take this moment to say I have brought you some merch. I have designed a few crochet shirts, hoodies, mugs, and the likes in the crochet and knitting theme. And if you love Friends like I do, then you will love that specific crochet or knitting shirt in the Friends theme. I can't wait to get my hands on that. I have ordered mine and it will be here very, very soon. So at number 1, we've got the crochet game controller. So it's like a little amigurumi you can fit in the palm. Or if you want, you can make it so much bigger so it can be like a pillow, a comfort pillow, something he can lean on when he's playing his games. Or you can just make it super tiny so he can add a little keychain and he can move around with it. Obviously, this is only perfect for the gamers. So if he doesn't game, let's go to the second one. The second one, personally, I love how simple and easy and quick to make it is, and it's a beaded bracelet, crocheted obviously, and you'll be crocheting the beads as you go. And I believe this is something that won't even take you 15 or 30 minutes. If you're a beginner, then maybe I'll just say 20, 25, 30 minutes maximum. And it's obviously a free pattern. So for the crochet game controller, that was a paid version, but there's a bunch of other free stuff you can look at. You can find tutorials or look up free crochet patterns for game controller stuffies. But if he doesn't like a bracelet as well, then let's keep going. A chapstick holder. Personally, I've never really seen the use of this, but they look very cute and useful. I don't know if he doesn't carry around a chapstick, or if he's always got those dry lips and it annoys you so much, then maybe if you make him a chapstick holder, he's gonna carry around that chapstick and he won't have those dry lips anymore. I don't know. You know, like I said, I feel like it's a bit useless personally, but at the same time, I find it very cute and very thoughtful. So if you like that kind of stuff, make it for him. Because let's say he is going hiking or on a school trip or work or something like that, he can always hang it to his keys, right? His keys or his phone or something like that, and it can just be some lesson. This is quick and easy, and it's a scratch and crochet project. So let's go on to number 4. Yeah, I think number 4. Let's go to the next one. A crochet tissue box. Listen, when I saw this, I'm looking down because that's where my laptop is. When I saw this, I fell in love. And this is not just for the boyfriend, it can be for anyone. You can even make it for yourself. I'm thinking of making myself one, but I don't really have tissues around the house. But it's a great thoughtful gift. And okay, you know how those tissue boxes are weird colors? If there's somebody that loves the aesthetics or they're maintaining a certain color around the house, then you can make it according to the decor around their home or their workspace or something like that. It's just a very thoughtful gift. And it's also something that's quick to make. You're not even going to go through it in one ball of yarn. It's a half or less because it's quick to make. And I love the texture of the pattern that was used to make this tissue box. And obviously it's a free pattern. So check it out. And let's go to the next one. And this is not even about if he'll like it or not. If he has a box of tissues in the house, this is the mark for him. So the next one, this one will have you sat down for a while. If you've got a bunch of scrap yarn, then you can make a scrap yarn blanket. And the corner to corner blanket, I can assure you, works up very fast. And it's one of those blankets that doesn't really need a border. I've never loved working a border for crochet blankets because it's like I finished the whole thing. I believe I'm done now. I have to go around it, and no. So there's crochet CTC or corner to corner blanket is perfect. So the one I've shared is obviously made from scrap yarn, but it doesn't have to be scrap yarn. You can always buy yarn specifically for this. You can give yourself 3 or 4 weeks so that you can take your time to make it, but If you ask me, I can have this done in 2 days because I have made a crochet cardigan in 2 days. Yes, I have. Find that somewhere linked. I've got a tutorial and a free pattern. I'll link that somewhere up here. If your man, if the guy, your dad, boyfriend, man, who, brother, whoever, if the one you're making this gift for is a clown, then why don't you make him a twin? Make him a crochet clown amigurumi and make it tiny so he can have it to his key holder, or he can hang it in the car, or he can just leave it somewhere like a collectible on a shelf or something like that. It's a very thoughtful gift, and trust me, when he sees it, he will laugh for sure. Let's go to the next one. If he loves anime, then he is sure going to love this. I found this article of 30 best anime amigurumi crochet patterns, and most of them are actually for free. If you can't find the one that he loves the most, you can always find, because I believe we've got everything, nothing new under the sun, as Solomon said. But I believe there's every single crochet pattern. If you can't find it and you're a pro, then you can always figure out how you can work your way around it. Otherwise, if he loves anime and you make him a little keychain or a pillow or a plush from his favorite anime show, then he will love it, or he will love it. If it's your brother or dad, they will love it. In the previous list, I shared the crochet class holders that are like a little tray, but this time around, it's like a whole amigurumi head where it's kind of creepy, but at the same time, it's funny and cute. Personally, I want myself one. I keep saying this, but I still haven't made the very first one, the little tray. I've got all the yarn. I even bought the yarn and everything. I just haven't made it. You know what? I'll get to it. I will get to. My husband doesn't wear glasses, but my dad does. But I don't think this is the type of thing that he would like, because he wants his glasses. You know, he's old. He wants it all encased and closed and locked away somewhere. So this probably wouldn't make sense to him. But if that guy would love something like this, then you want to make this for his glasses. Up next is a crochet pencil holder. So the pattern is calling it a pencil holder, but it doesn't have to be. If he loves to paint, draw, so paint brushes or his coloring pencils or anything like that, that's what they can use it for. If they love to crochet or knit, they can use it for their knitting needles or crochet hooks. And it's just a great storage box, and it would look nice in any area. And we've already made it to the end. I told you it was a short one because I plan on making more of this series. So if I give you 50 in one video, then I'm gonna run out of ideas because I am trying to stay unique. I'm trying to give you gift ideas that are not, obvious or boring and plain, and something he can see coming. So the last one, if he loves to read, then it's a crochet book sleeve. I've been planning on making myself this exact one because I love myself the granny square one. There's so many versions out there, but I love myself this granny square crochet book sleeve with the whole wrap and the beads at the end as a cherry on top. I recently made a crochet bandana from the granny stitch and I added beads at the end as well, and I love it so much. Personally, I love it so much. I've got a free pattern as well on my website. You can check that out. Otherwise, this is everything that I had for you guys. If you haven't already, subscribe. What are you doing? Subscribe so that we can meet each other again next time. Last time we made a crochet granny square. If you want to stay up to date, next video we'll be making a crochet pencil case from the very crochet granny square. So be sure to check out my other videos, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Bye!